Alrighty guys, here we go. I'm headed to the Snap-on truck. Y'all see this thermostat on the 2.4 multi-air engine? Extremely hard, guys. This is not shallow enough. I had to borrow my buddy's Snap-on quarter-inch socket. So they do not like borrowing. They do not loaning their sockets out. So let me go on the Snap-on truck and see exactly what these things cost. All right, let's get it. Yeah. Huh? What's up in here I ain't got already? Hey, how shallow is Snap-ons? That's Craftsman. It's too long. I need like a real super shallow one. Yeah. Cause that's the only way you can get that thermostat bolt on, not off. It comes off with a 10mm. I go on with an 8, guys. So now the one that I borrowed, I think that was a Mac or either a Snap-on. But at any rate, I gotta get my own. So hey, y'all see that? Pretty neat. So I'm up here to price one out. And if you got one, I might scoop it up. Let's look at the that's some quality there. Where you at, Jack's Journals? They ain't got this. This is not in Harbor Freight or Northern. It's that high quality stuff. They even got high quality picks. How high quality do picks have to be, right? Right. I haven't been up here in a minute, guys. Every now and then he swing through. I might come by. You got that look on your face. It's gotta be shallow. It's gotta be shorter than that one. Hey. Yeah, that's what I need. What size is that? What size is that? It could be a 5/16 or 8. 5/16 or 8. Which one is? Huh? Ooh, let me see. 5/16 is a little taller than the 8. Okay, no, I need the shortest one. They're the same size basically. Ooh, hell yeah! Look how shallow that is. That's my Craftsman, right? Yeah, that's Craftsman. Yeah, that's too long, and it won't bend as much. I probably can bend 90 degrees with that. How much is that? Come on, man, give me a deal, man. Huh? Let's see. Let's see. You don't know it by heart? Oh God, y'all know what that means when they say "let's see." Yes, guys. Every now and then I gotta come up here. Hey, y'all breaking and stripping these bolts out? Snap-on, man, got you. This guy's God, man, $50? Holy shit. Dude. I don't have $50 and I don't like doing car notes or payments. Yo, I'll have to catch you next week then. Huh? Alright, let's do that. I don't even think I have nothing on me. Wait a minute, I got my, hold on. Y'all know what I got? My online mechanic tip. And that's exactly what this is for. Yeah. I'll show y'all something. I don't want y'all to see the number, but y'all see the name on that card. Online mechanic tips. This is exactly what it's for. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna charge it. My online mechanic tip business account. Okay. Always wanted to say that. Oh yeah, run it, man. I don't want to see you every week. I don't want to see your damn face. I don't want you tracking me down every freaking week like you do these guys. I want to be able to wave at you and keep it moving. Alright guys, I'm charging it to my business account. Let me see, do I remember the password? I don't want y'all to see that. What is my password? Ooh, I hope I did that right. Please wait. Please remove card. What if I got it wrong? What happened?
Okay, try it again.
Okay, it's
Instead of putting it in, just press the green button.
Huh?
Instead of punching in the number, just press the green button.
Oh, to go credit. I still want to know my I still want to know my code. What is my code? I was at Home Depot the other day. I got it wrong. Remove card. Huh? Hey man, that man might want some water in here. Ain't like the tubes gone. So I don't have to borrow Kirk. Let me see. I don't have to borrow Kirk's socket no more. Hey, for those thermostat. Let me compare this one more time while I'm up here. What do I do with my socket? It's not the sheen that matters, guy. It's the bending that matters. You gave my oven back? Yeah, you did, man. I lost it. All right, guys, we're in business now. The good news is I don't have to come back up here next week. Because every time I come up here, it's got to trick me into buying. Look at that. Look at the height difference. That little half an inch matters, guys, when it comes to bending and swiveling. Yeah, bigger is not always better. That one can swivel a whole lot more and bend. Ooh. Yes, bring on the thermostats for the 2.4. I can knock it. I can. Yeah, that's exactly what I do. All right, man, you got me this time. You ain't gonna, I can't let you get me next time. Yeah, whatever. All right, that hurt. That was painful. I just being nice, guys. I'm not a tool troll. I bet Jack Journal was laughing his butt off. JJ, it's a one-time thing, JJ. I normally don't frequent the snap-on truck. I think my buddy got this engine out. Yeah, let me see. He did. Hey, told you guys they're not that bad. Easy peasy, right? Yes. All right, I'm still over here hurting. Cannot believe I just shelled out this much money for a freaking and watch me. So this is the thing. I'm gonna make sure I don't lose it because I'm reckless. I be losing stuff, but that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching.